Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Epic Game World, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Minecraft server for any version of Minecraft. Now this will allow you to connect with your friends and family, whether they're across the street, down the block, or on the other side of the world. And one of the reasons you might want to set up a different version of Minecraft on a server is because you'll probably have some mods that are specific to that version of Minecraft. Anyhow, let's go ahead and get into this, and I will show you how to get this set up. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and type in Forge, and we need to go to the Forge page and download the version of Forge for whatever particular version of Minecraft server you plan on setting up. For me, I'm going to be doing version 1.12.2. And you'll go ahead and click on the install, the download recommended, click on the installer. And when the next page pops up, be sure not to click anything at all. Just wait until the 6 seconds is done. And once it is done, you'll click on skip, and then you'll click on keep. And that will download the version of Forge for you. Now I've already downloaded it. As you can see, I already have it a couple of times. So I am done downloading Forge for right now. And the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go and create a folder wherever you want to set up your Minecraft server. Now you can create in your games directory, you can create in your program files, wherever you want your Minecraft server to reside. I've actually just created one on my desktop for the purposes of this video, and I've taken that Forge installer and I've just dropped it into this folder. So the next thing you're going to want to do is double click on the installer, and you'll click on install server. Click the 3 dots, and you're going to select wherever you have created your Minecraft server folder and just click OK. So now this is going to be setting up our Minecraft server. It's going to be downloading whatever files it needs. As you notice here, it is downloading libraries. It just takes a couple of moments. All right, and it's just about done here. And there we go, it's done right now. Click on OK. Now that that's done, you're going to notice that we now have a Minecraft server executable jar file. It's Minecraft server 1.12.2. I'm going to go ahead and double click that. It doesn't seem like it does much, but what it does do is it brings you this EULA, and this is an agreement, terms of service, I guess you could say, and you want to go ahead and copy this link right here. You go ahead and paste that into your browser, and just make sure with this end user license agreement you're not violating any of these terms before you decide to set up this server. Okay, and if you ensure that you're not, you're going to go ahead and change this false to true like this, and then just close the file, click on save, and you're done with that part. Now you'll double click the Minecraft server 1.12.2 again, and this is going to actually open up your Minecraft server for the first time. You'll notice you did get this Windows Defender firewall pop up. You're going to want to allow access so that it will be able to go through your firewall and allow people from outside of your network to be able to connect to your server. So now this is already done. Once that's done, just go ahead and close it out. That's it for that part. Now, one other thing we want to do in here, and something I like to set up, is a Start Server.bat file. And what you'll do is you'll just right click and you'll pick new, text document, and just what I've done right here basically is a new text document, start server. This text that I have right here, I will actually leave this in a description of the video, and what you'll do is you'll just paste that into this notepad file, and you just put file, save as, and you can name it whatever you want. I like to name it Start Server and followed by BAT. That makes it a batch file. Click on save, close it, and now you have Start Server.bat right here. Windows batch file. And what this allows you to do is it actually allows you to allocate the amount of RAM to your server. So I've allocated 8 gigabytes of RAM to this Minecraft server, and I recommend at least 8 gigabytes just so you can use whatever mods and allow some space for a few people to be able to join into your server. So that's really it for that part right now. The next thing we need to do, we need to go down here and type in CMD. Bring up a command prompt, and here we're going to type in IP config /all, And it's going to give us our local address. So here's my local address right here. Just want to highlight it, Control C to copy it, and you go ahead and close that window. You notice you have a server properties file right here. You'll right click on that, open with, choose Notepad, click OK, and then about halfway down you'll see where you have server IP. All you're going to do is just click there and then paste the IP address that we just got. And you'll click the X and close that window, click on save, and then you're done with that. Now the next thing we want to do, we can just go ahead and start the server. It just takes a moment to run. It's going to bring up your server window, Minecraft server window here in just a moment, and here it is. It's really quick because we don't have any mods in here or anything running. And you do notice another Windows firewall pop-up. Go ahead and click allow access once again. And as you can see, it's already done. So we're already finished with that. So we'll just leave the server running there for right now. And next thing we want to do, go back into this folder here. And we're going to double click the Forge installer again. And this time we're going to install the local client. So just leave it on install client, leave this all default, and click on OK. And that's done. Now we have the local client installed. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and open up our Minecraft launcher and we'll click on installations. As you notice, we already have Forge right here. This is the Forge version that we just installed. Click on the three dots. You'll click edit and you can go ahead and name this whatever you want to name it. I'll just name it Minecraft server. And we'll go ahead and click more options. And now this, just like the file that we created a moment ago, this allows you to allocate the amount of RAM, but this is for your local computer. So this is the local computer amount of RAM, and this just allows you to be able to use more mods and stuff without running out of memory. So I usually allocate 8 gigabytes as long as you have that much. If not, 4 gigabytes will probably be enough for you. Okay, and last we're going to go ahead and click on browse. And we want to make a new Minecraft directory here. So we're going to click on make new folder. We're going to type in .Minecraft server or whatever you would like to name it. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. Okay, so next thing you want to do is log into your router so we can set up port forwarding. So my router is 192.168.10.1. Your router is probably going to be something different, or it could possibly be the same. We're going to click on security here. Going to click on apps and gaming, single port forwarding. So right here I already have a port forward set up, but I have it selected to the wrong address right now. So I'll just go ahead and type my address in here, 192. So I have Minecraft server. You can name it whatever you want. You have to make sure that you have these ports in here for external port and internal port. That's 25565. Those are the Minecraft ports. You want to make sure you have both selected here and make sure you have your correct IP address that we got from ipconfig earlier. So you click save and you click apply, and then we're done with that. So now we have our port forwarded. Finally, what you want to do is go to Google, type in what is my IP, and then you're going to get your external IP address. Now this IP address is your actual external IP address, and people could do a lot of things with this address, so make sure you're only giving it out to people that you trust, like your friends and your family, to be able to connect to your Minecraft server. Now this is not my actual external IP address, just for the purpose of this video. So we'll go ahead and right click and copy that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we'll go back into our launcher here, and we're going to go ahead and launch this Minecraft server that we just created. Now mind you, this does take a few moments for Minecraft to completely load here. For the first time when you're creating this server. So we don't have any mods in here or anything like that yet, so it is going to be pretty quick. Alright, and there we go. It's already loaded. We're going to go ahead and click on multiplayer, click on direct connect, and now if someone wanted to get connected externally, so one of your friends or one of your relatives want to connect to your server from down the block or whatever, you're going to just go ahead and provide them with the IP address that we just got from what is my IP in Google, and then you're going to use a colon and you're going to type in 25565, which is the port to Minecraft. And this is also the port that you just forwarded your local IP address to a few moments ago through your router. So this right here you'll give to anyone who you trust that wants to get connected to your server. Now since we're connecting locally, we're just going to go ahead and type in the local IP address. And this will get us in to our local server here. Here we go. We're actually in the server. And just be mindful that when you start the server, you're actually going to be in survival. So if there are any mobs or if it does turn nighttime, you will need to be careful here. Anyhow, so this is the local server. We're actually already in Minecraft. This is it. We're in the Minecraft server. It's just that simple. There's really just not much to it. Now, if you wanted to be able to make this in creative mode, you do have to OP yourself or make yourself an operator, and I will show you how to do that right now. Basically, what you would do is whoever is hosting the server would need to, let's see here, you need to go into the server screen here. Whoever's hosting the server will go into the server screen right here, and they would need to OP whatever the player's name is. So there we go. So I just OP'd my player name, and now I can go back into Minecraft. And I'll be able to just click on / and type in game mode and then C, and that will change it to creative mode. So now I'm in creative. And it's just that simple if you wanted to be able to do that. Now you don't have to do that. You can just keep it in survival if that's the way you want to play, or if you guys just want to go ahead and build your world, you can OP the players, and then they'll be able to change it into creative and play creative game. Anyhow, once you're all done playing, you'll go ahead and disconnect. Okay, you click on cancel, you'll quit the game, and then right here in your Minecraft server window, you will just type in STOP. And that's it. And then the server is closed nice and neatly. Click on this command window here. Just press any key. And that window will also close. So that's pretty much it for this video tutorial right here that shows you how to create your Minecraft server for any version of Minecraft. I hope that was helpful to you guys. I want to thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss out on another video on Epic Game World. See you guys next time.